Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and we are going to bottle the maple syrup that we boiled yesterday. I'm going to run through everything. We reheated up the maple syrup, run it through the filters, reheat it, check the specific gravity, and bottle it. So we're going to do it all today. I reheated the maple syrup just so it'll make it a little bit thinner so it'll go through the filters. Last year I built this rack that holds these cone filters. They're felt filters. And I just put pots underneath them all. So we're going to start pouring the maple syrup in there. Now we wait and let that go down. Sometimes they get so plugged they don't come out anymore, and then I have to try to change the pre-filter in them. So now we put the maple syrup back in the pot and we're reheating it, and this tells this specific gravity, and when it gets to 211 Fahrenheit it should be at the red line right at the surface of the maple syrup. I have a thermometer here to make sure it's right on. Once you're at the right specific gravity, at the right temperature, we can bottle it. There's two reasons why you bring the maple syrup up to temperature. One is to sterilize the bottles when it goes into the bottles. Number two is that it seals the tamper-proof lid. You know when you take the cap off, you pull the little plastic tab off, that gets stuck to the bottle when the liquid that's in it is hot. So if you don't get it up to temperature, it won't seal properly. So now we have it up to temperature, so we're going to fill up the bottles. I like using a measuring cup with a handle like this because you scoop it up and it pours good, but then you can hang it here inside the pot so it doesn't drip all over your counter. Still filling, I got quite a bit left. That was actually a really good boil we had. The sugar content had to have been pretty high. So that's what I got for the first boil, which isn't too shabby at all. It's 23 liters of maple syrup. It's dead on with 40-1, so the sugar content was right there. I got all the maple syrup done, I just got to clean up, but that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.